Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. I'm HD Signatures. In today's video, we are going to be doing something really exciting and informative. I am going to be showing you a side-by-side comparison of skincare and foundation routine for different age groups. On one side of my face, I'll be applying skincare and makeup suitable for ages 18 to 30. And I'll be doing the same thing on the other side of my face, but for 30 to 40 and beyond. The reason I'm doing this comparison is to highlight how our skin changes as we age and how our skincare and makeup routine need to adapt to these changes. Whether you're in your 20s or your 40s, you'll find some useful tips and tricks to enhance your beauty routine. So for ages 18 to 30, I am going to be focusing the product on hydration and prevention. So your skin types should determine what you're going to be using on this side. And for 30 to 40 plus, I'll be using product that targets anti-aging, rejuvenation, plumping, youthfulness, and all that good stuff. There's an exception to this. You could be in your 40 and still do your makeup like someone between 18 and 30. And that can depend on genetic, lifestyle, and skincare habits. But you also have to do it in moderation. Also, for someone in our 18 to 30, if you are not careful, if you put too much product on your face, it could actually cake on your skin, and that will make you look way older than you actually are. As you can tell, on the side for 30 to 40 and beyond, I made it more hydrating. And on the side for 18 to 30, I kind of, made it minimal and more focused on, prevention. So, I mean, your skin types will also determine. But if you are in your 40, 30, late 30, 40 and beyond, make sure the product you are going to be looking out for contains lots of hydrations. Here you have it, guys. What do you guys think? You can tell that the part with the late 30s to 40 and beyond look way more glowy and more plump than the side for 18 to 30. Let me know if you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and thumbs up for more beauty tips like this. Bye.